In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop restaurant website management, that's food ordering. Example of this script is Superv. This script is good for foodry, as in cafeteria, all the stuff. So this script has many features. Example, sales reports, unlimited add-ons, variations, 1809 payment method, push notification, delivery pickup and table, POS online order, so many other. Please use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So for my file manager, I go to my subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I have already uploaded my script. Here is it. Then next I'm going to extract it. Extract files. Okay, extracted. I click on this. The extracted folder, which is this. I'm going to move all the content in it to the root folder. Move files. So next I'm going to click on up one level. Now let me copy my subdomain name. I'm going to open a new tab, then paste it there and click on enter. Next I'll click on check requirements. Okay, so after refreshing, next I click on check permissions. Next I'll go back to my file manager, storage, framework and logs. I'll change them to 775. Storage, framework and logs, I'll change them to 775. Framework 775. Save. Logs, save. Let me go back. Okay, next one is bootstrap cache. Up one level, I'll go to bootstrap. Then under bootstrap I will go to cache to change it to 775 permission. Save. Now let me go back to my site, refresh it. Next I click on verify license. So I will fill this, then click on verify. So next I'm going to fill this place. Before then, let me go back to my cPanel. Then I will go to my cPanel. Then I go to database to create my database. Scroll down, databases. So here I'm going to manage my databases. So let me name my database as Superv database. Yes, like this. Then I click on create database. Created successfully. I click on go back. So next I'm going to create the user. Yeah. Shift. Okay. Then I click on create user. User created successfully. I click on go back. So next I'm going to add my user to my database. Superv, here is it. Superv, here is it. I click on add. So next I'm going to give up privileges. Make changes. Now success. So let me copy my, yes, I'm copying it. Come here. Database host, okay. Database name. Let me say this first. Username. Okay. So my, yes, my database name, app name. Let me say Superv. Yes. So now I'm going to click on install. So I can close this now. Scroll down. Okay, before that, your website /admin, username and password. Okay, click here to exit. Okay, let's close this. I've successfully installed my script, as you can see. Very beautiful. Okay, so now, please, if this video is helpful, use the buy me coffee link in the description to buy me coffee, and don't forget to use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. And also, if you want to install the script, please use the hire me link in the description to hire me to help you install your script. Thank you.